Good morning. Let's take a look at PYTH. So PYTH is an Oracle-based crypto that is on the Solana network. So think of it as like the Link or a Link competitor. Now, fundamentally, I think it's pretty sound. It's going to touch a lot of tokenless projects, and I am staking a bit to get some of those juicy airdrops. Technically, I think we're looking great. I do think we have bottomed for now, and let's take a look at why I think it's bullish. So I do think that we did break market structure, and this is a meme trend line. I know there's better ways to determine a bottom, but I like how we have this inverted head and shoulders. So left, bottom, right. Not only that, but we have a change of character or market structure break, however you want to call it. We have a swing high that we broke, or like I like to say, a lower high that we broke, and then it barely isn't exactly retested, but I will still count it as a retest. So this is a market structure break. So basically you have that. You have a change in trend. All right, so this lower higher low is above the lower high, or it's using the lower high as a higher low. That's what I was trying to say. So what can we expect? One more thing. The momentum is looking good on the daily as well. Whoops. Let's see if we're trending above 50. That's usually meaning it's an uptrend asset. So now that we've gotten that out of the way, what can we expect? If we are not done it for correction, and if everything here is part of just a range, then it's likely going to go to take buy side liquidity. So it can take around 50 cents. And if you see a harsh sell off, actually if you see something like this, a harsh sell off, then we can expect some kind of structure like that. I don't know if that's the case, but I'm gonna prepare for it. I have buys from 29 cents. I wish I bought more. Story of my life. But if we are bullish, let's take a look at what this could get to. So if we're bullish, I'm just going to take it from bottom to the top, and this is how I determine new price discovery targets. So it's the inverted fib on a log scale, and it could pretty easily pull a TIA, I think. Let's just put the 2618 on there. I'll put the 2.62. Okay. So you might be scoffing at the idea that it can go to $5, but it can. I'm not. We are in crypto. Anything can happen. So what is that from current prices? Oh, that's like a 10x. So I do think it's pretty bullish. So that's the bullish scenario where, let's say we do this flag reclaim, and then start moving up, right? That's the bullish case. And then you saw the other case where it ranges, it takes buy side, and then it comes back to retest the lows near 23 cents. It all depends on what the crypto market's going to do. And I still think that if I had to pick one, I'd pick the bullish case, of course. Now, if you're looking for entry, and none of this is financial advice, it's just for educational purposes only, then I would look for, let me see. It's probably gonna, where's our daily? Okay. Yeah, I probably, if you are looking for entry, then I would look for something like this, something like that. But there is a order block or FEG here. We could also tap that in a Monday sell-off, but we'll just have to wait and see. So I do think it should base above this prior level just because it can squeeze shorts because people are trying to get in and short it down here, or shorting from above here to down here. So I think we can get a squeeze. Now, a neat trick that or some alpha for those of you that want to see how everything outperforms. If you put it against the BTC chart, looks amazing. Okay, we know it's already going to outperform against BTC. I think that we should be comparing it to ETH, and it's pretty much the same. If you want to go a step further, then all you have to do is type in the asset and then just put in the divide by, let's say, SOL, right? And see how it does. So this is going to tell you, so the numerator, which is PYTH, if it's going up, that means PYTH is outperforming SOL, or the denominator. If this is going down, that means SOL is outperforming PYTH. All right, so that's some good alpha that hopefully you guys find useful. All right, but if we're looking at it against SOL, this is a pretty textbook market structure break or change of character, right? And we're not gonna get a perfect tap just because of this function, but I would count it as a change in character or market structure break. So that's PYTH. Let's see how it does compared to, I don't know, Link. Okay, yeah, it's probably going to destroy Link. How about TIA? Yeah, it's okay. So it should hit resistance there, but if it reclaims, if it does this, then sayonara, it's gone. There's one more render. Let's see how it does against that. Oops. Okay, so against render, it would be very healthy if it came to this and did that. Okay, so that's PYTH. Let me go back to the original chart. So for me, I'm on the bullish scenario. I think this market's not cycle tops, but targets definitely $1.63. I think that's pretty conservative. I know that sounds crazy because you have to go from here, which is like a 4x. Can it hit $10 or double digits like I previously tweeted? I think so. Let me look at CoinMarketCap. Type in, because I think it can rival something like Link. So Link right now is 12th in market cap. Let's do. Oh, I can't share my other screen for whatever reason. So I'll just put it like this. So this is Link. And let me look at PYTH. PYTH is at 99 right now. And yeah, I think let's compare the number. Oh shit. So the market cap of Link is, what is that, 9 billion? Is it 9 billion or? Yeah, it's almost 9 billion. This is at 639 mil. Circulating supply, oh, it has a lot more circulating supply than Link. Total supply, yep, it's got a lot more than that too. So, but what we're looking for, I think, to compare is if it can get near Link's market cap. I don't know. I mean, I have to do the math real quick. Let's see. Let's just multiply by 10. 6 bill. Yeah, if it went to 6 bill, so that's a 10x from here. If it went to 6 billion, a 10x is that $4? Okay, it does kind of sound unrealistic when I do that kind of math. So I think maybe not double digits, who knows? But I do think definitely within this range. All right. So that's PYTH. I'm gonna take one more look at something. Let's just compare it to TIA. Oh shit. Excuse me. Maybe it does something like that. All right, so we're probably in this range. It's probably gonna do something similar. All right. Okay, so I think I covered PIF enough on both fundamentally and technically. I do have it staked. I think a good number to stake is 1,000 PIF coins or tokens. Probably the safer number is like 3,000 to get guaranteed airdrop. And hopefully you guys enjoyed. Peace. Where's the record?